sun's not quite up yet, but we've got good light. We're getting out of Dodge. It's not quite as nice and warm today, but it is sure beautiful still. Got a full moon. Apparently the anchor is almost loose. Gotta get going. Having family visit with us while we're in the Bahamas this season has been a real treat. Our 7-day passage from Florida was a baptism by fire for them, so these short island hops have been a much nicer pace. Being able to move along the Exuma island chain during the day, anchor a few hours later, and explore the beautiful sights for a few days is one of the things that makes the Bahamas a favorite among cruisers. Well, Shroud Cay. We've been here for 3 days. Been here a long time.
Longer than we wanted to.
Yeah. But that's what happens with the weather sometimes. Make the best of it and just relax. The winds are variable this time of year in the Bahamas. North winds bring cooler weather and storms from higher latitudes, and then the winds will circle around the compass, teasing us with warmer temperatures, but making it harder to move south on our trek to Georgetown. That makes such a difference. The wind's coming in at 60 degrees. It's just a little cold. I know, it's the Bahamas, but yeah, it's a little cool. So now it's not. And the sun coming through here is going to warm it up.
So let me tell you,
50 degrees.
all those people in like Annapolis and Maryland and Maine right now and Alaska are going, wah, 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 wah.
Okay, it's all relative, and I don't have to be a little bit chilled just because it's warmer than where you're at.
Still pretty dang beautiful though.
We often joke that once you sail in the beautiful waters of the Bahamas, it's really hard to go back to those brown waters of the ICW.
We have a 6-hour passage today. You want to call it a passage island hop. What do we do for 6 hours on a sailing day like this?
Well, I am watching the chart and listening to music right now.
I've been kicking back on the little chair here. Usually I sit right in here, get the binoculars in case I need them.
Yep.
Katie and Logan hang out. The kitchen does its thing. Things land on the floor. Some of us sleep. Some of us guard those who are sleeping. Hi, puppy. It is a little cooler today, but that's okay. I'm not super excited for the hot to show up when it's this kind of weather. This kind of weather's like perfect weather, I think. What do you think, babe?
I can handle it being a little warmer.
Of course,
Just like 5 degrees.
Well, the other day it was a little warmer and we were like roasting in our room.
Yeah, but it was okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's always fascinating to watch the names pop up on AIS. This boat that's passing us is Goa, G-A-O, Gale, Go, anyway, 10, G-A-O 10.
Goat. Goatin. That other one's not on AIS, or is he? That might have been, it might be Sanibel. That one out there, I believe, is Goatin.
You think that's what it's
I don't know.
to say it? Goatin?
This one here with the black aspect sails. See if I can find it here for you, right there. I think that's Sanibel.
I don't think that's Sanibel. I think the Sanibel is out in front of us.
We had a super yacht pass us named Ammonite that could be yours for $35,000 a week. And it was only 30 feet longer than our boat.
Sailing along the western shore of the Exumas is a bit like driving on the highway at rush hour in the winter months. You'll find cruisers, mailboats, charter boats, super yachts, and the fast power boats full of tourists on a day tour.
Now I'm going to get a manicure.
What? Is this what you do on a passage? Is get a manicure?
Yeah, when you
How
have
do you
when you have a Katie on.
how do you pull this off with wind forward of the beam on the lean? You need to sit on the downhill side so you don't fall off the chair.
We're okay.
Okay. You notice nobody's offered to give me a pedicure or manicure. Some of us have set up a full esthetician station, whatever you call that.
Right? I'm at the spa. I'm having a spa day. We're sailing on a boat, getting our nails done.
Oh, this is the life for you.
You got your hair cut yesterday.
I did. We slowed down a little. We're only going 5.2 knots because we're really pushing it with, we're off and into the 50 degrees for wind. So, but the motor's not being used at all. Zero. That's the best part.
You're on social media and he's reading a book.
And Todd is taking a nap.
You're twiddling your thumbs, dear. Are you bored?
Passing the time on a day hop can be a little tedious when the winds are consistent and the traffic is light. But the view, it never gets old. This is our first time exploring the Exumas, and we now understand why it is the most popular area in the Bahamas.
Is it good?
It is good. It's like end of the world stuff.
Ooh, I got that for you for Christmas. I had no idea what it was about, but it worked.
It did.
All right.
Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this.